legislative act was passed, and in 1988 a new national policy was announced. So what are there in this policy? So here we have the steps should be taken to preserve forest. First, forests are our nation's resource. Take it as our moral duty to protect them. As we all know that the forests are our natural resources, nation's resources. Forests are not our own property or all. So it is national property. So we should conserve them. Next it is tree felling should be stopped. Heavy punishment must be inflicted to those who cut trees illegally. People are cutting trees for the sake of their purpose. I mean they want to sell those goods, and that's why they are cutting forests as well as trees. So this is illegal. Means cutting forest is illegal. So those illegal activities should be punished. To increase public participation in Van Mahotsav and social forestry, tree must be planted on either side of wasteland, river, railway tracks and roads and rice them. So it is the prime purpose, or we can say motto of the government, that common people or public should participate in Van Mahotsav and in forest, social forestry. So for that what to do? So we have desert, we have wasteland, we have rivers, we have railway tracks. So trees should be planted near those areas. That's why as a result, people start getting interest in this kind of thing. So Van Mahotsav, and we can say social forestry. Create awareness about environment through environmental education and school syllabus. Celebrate environment related days. So, environment related topic should be included in school syllabus so that children can get knowledge about the environmental effect and importance of environment. So, number 4 is that school syllabus. In school syllabus, topic should be there. You please note down this thing. After that, we will go for number 4. Next is topic should be there in school syllabus. See, here we have environment related days. 21st March 16th September. It is known as World Ozone Day. So these are the days we should celebrate in the school so that student can get the knowledge of importance of atmosphere. It is 21st March, this is World Forest Day. 22 April, it is Earth Day. 5th June is known as World Environment Day. July month is celebrated as One Mahotsav and 16th September is World Ozone Day. Okay? Take precautions to avoid forest fire, and in case of fire it must be doused immediately. So we have to stop this forest fire. So that is use renewable energy resources such as solar energy, bioenergy, wind energy, etc. in place of traditional resources like wood used to get energy. So this kind of energy should be used like solar energy, like bioenergy, wind energy. Explain the importance of forest to people through broadcasting media and bring public awareness about it. So importance to people by media. With the help of media we can express the importance of this forest to people and use of other energies like solar energy, like bioenergy, wind energy and all. The year 2011 was declared as World Forest Year in order to bring global awareness. Social forestry means to manage forests to help environment, society and rural development to conserve forest and plant trees. FRI, that is Forest Research Institute, undertakes forest related research. This is the things you like to know. Okay, so this is the remedies of forest. Now you please note down this. After that we will go for another unit. Natural vegetation regions have been devised on the basis of their characteristics. Similarly, a spatial distribution can be made for animals. The wildlife of India is divided into 9 zones according to the similarity and their characteristics and their existence in any region. They are as follows. So, wildlife Next is uh, snow leopard in higher Himalayas. After this it is wild goats and musk deer. This is found in Jammu and Kashmir. See, Gudkar is found in Run of Kutch. Presence of Great Indian Bustard in grassland area is noted again. In grassland. In the waterlogged area, migratory birds from cold region come down in great number. These include Siberian crane, pelican, Tibetan duck, kunj, karkara, etc. So these are the migratory birds, and the presence of these migratory birds are noticeable in waterlogged area. Rare species of corals are seen in Gulf of Kutch. Flying squirrel are seen in dense forest of Western Ghat. See, flying squirrel. Western Ghats. After that, we have Nicobar dove in rare bird seen in Nicobar Island. Rare species of coral are seen in Gulf of Kutch. Along with mammals and many types of birds, notice should be taken of king cobra, snakes, python, patalon means inguna, also along sea coast and other water bodies various species, sea snakes, dolphin, shark, sea cow that is dugong, octopus, whale, etc. from a part of animal world. Not only this forest animal, but these water animals are also found. Beside forest animals like fox, wolf, nilgai, deer, mongoose, rabbits, wild hog, hedgehog are seen in agricultural area. Many birds such as nightingale, parrot, peacock, weaver bird, chibri, pilak, vulture, kabar, gorbagla, etc. are seen roaming in this area. Means this kind of birds are seen roaming in this area. Our next topic is wildlife and the need for conservation. See, leopards seen in the forest in the beginning of 20th century have become extinct from India. So we can't see leopard in India. Once the Asiatic lions of Gir which were seen even up to Middle East are now restricted to Gir forest only. Asiatic lion, talking about so these Asiatic lions are also in danger. With due steps taken for their protection, now their number is 523. So, once crane were seen in large number in Gujarat, but now their number is reduced. Wildlife is an inseparable part of living organism, but the decrease in their number somewhere and for some years reduce the quality of environment, which is a matter of concern. Shyam Garud, that is eagle, a resident of mountainous forest in Gujarat, is now rarely seen. You can note down this, after that we will go for this. Please note down. We have only 523 Asiatic lions. Talking about Shyam Garud, rarely seen. Chilotro seen in the forest of Vijayanagar Taluka is rarely seen today. It is seen in Vijayanagar Taluka. It is obvious that endless human greed and run for progress have made environment imbalance which would bring adverse result. Still there is time. If proper action is not taken, then the next generation would see the wildlife only in pictures. So these are the picture of wildlife. Still we have time to change this picture and scenario. Still we have time to do something to preserve our wildlife. Otherwise, next generation would only see these animals, birds and mammals and these oceanic animals into pictures. So still we have to do something to save our wildlife. Okay students, this is for today's video. Now it's time to give you homework.